Hi, this is Louise from Plan to Play, and today I'm going to show you how you can make a court reservation. So the first thing you're going to want to do is log into your mobile app, and then in the middle you'll see a resources section. So you can go ahead and select a resource. We're going to select the outdoor tennis courts. And now we're going to select, the location's already pre-selected, but you would be able to choose from different locations here. And then you choose your duration and then save and next. And now you can go to the day that you're looking to schedule for, and anywhere there's availability of any courts at all, you'll see a little green dot. So we'll choose, we'll choose the 8th. And then we can also further refine by a time frame. So say we wanted to look at something that's at noon time, we can do that as well. And now we'll see reservations that are at noon, and we can go ahead and choose our court, save and next. And now we will make your appointment. And we have annual pass already, so it's already pre-subscribed. We can confirm everything here and then confirm and check out. We'll receive a notification that everything's all set. And then we can actually also now go into our profile. So down at the bottom right-hand corner, there's a little profile icon. You click on it. And this is where you're going to see all of your existing reservations. So you can see we have one on Tuesday, Tuesday the 1st on court 7. So if anything happens with this reservation, if they've changed your court or anything, you would see it here. And then we can look at the next week, and this is the reservation we just made from 12 to 1 on court 3. And that's it. So hopefully if you have any questions or anything, you can reach out to us, but that's how easy it is to make a reservation.